Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is, at Local's Garage. Today we got some more carbon fiber parts from Extreme Online Store. So right now what we got from Extreme Online Store is the carbon hood, obviously, the carbon front lip. So they sent us a carbon hood vent, no more OEM black. So check it out, it's me right here, full carbon. That's a nice mesh right there. It's gonna be more aggressive. It's gonna look pretty nice. So obviously it's gonna go right there where that hood vent is at. So we have to get the OEM one to put this carbon fiber one. Honestly, it blends in with the hood pretty good. This is gonna be the part number right here, guys, from Extreme Online Store. Nice, nice. Hopefully the lighting is good in the garage. Yeah guys, so this is part of the build right now that we're doing. So let's get this install started, and don't forget, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. So real quick, the car's on SNR loin springs, some wheel spacers from American Muscle. We got the hood from Extreme Online Store. Honestly, no complaints. The hood fitment is good right now. The hood's up obviously, but I have a video on that install and the front lip install. The car's coming along pretty good, really nice. It's a little dirty. Took it to a car meet today. We got the clear tail lights, more carbon fiber from Extreme Online Store. We also got these side skirts from Extreme Online Store, full carbon as well. The car is coming along pretty good. Big shout out to Extreme Online Store. Honestly, they make pretty good products. No complaints at all. Everything so far, the fitment has been pretty good, from the hood to the side skirts to the front lip. All right guys, first thing first, let's see. We're gonna open up the hood. It's gonna be an easy install. Obviously, you already have a aftermarket hood and stuff. I hope you guys can see. If not, let me get some light right now. Basically, there's 4 nuts holding this and 4 clips. All we gotta do is take out the 4 nuts. One right here, one right there, one right there, one right here. Then push the vent outwards. That's gonna be pretty simple. If you have an OEM hood, you have to take off the insulation, which is pretty simple as well. It's only like 10 panel poppers and you can take it out. But like I said, since I have an aftermarket hood, it's gonna be really easy to install. Real simple. It should take on about 20 minutes to half an hour, depending if you're amateur or whatever. Alright guys, real quick. The nuts, they're actually 9mm. That's crazy. On an American car, wild. So basically you're gonna get your electric tool or even by hand. Just loosen it up. Do not drop these nuts. Okay, if you drop them, good luck finding them. They're pretty small. That's what she said, huh? I already loosened this one already. I took out the other two already. So now after we get all these nuts out, I'm gonna have to take out those clips. I'm gonna try to record it, but I am a one-man team unfortunately right now. So look at right here, there's these clips you can see right here. Honestly, you just push in and push up. See, it's already lifting. See that? See? Right there. So I already did 2, I gotta do 4 more. And then the hood vent should be out, and we can finally install this carbon fiber hood vent. Honestly, it looks more aggressive to me. It doesn't have all those lines like the OEM hood, but I don't know. There's a word for this, what it's called. I'm not too sure. I don't know. It looks more aggressive. That's all I know. I'm gonna drop the link down below for this hood vent and the hood. Alright guys, here's a sample. So basically it's that easy. I didn't want to do it one hand with my camera, one hand, you know, so kind of want to scratch the carbon. So now we're ready for the carbon fiber hood vent. It's gonna look pretty good. All right guys, real quick, you have to buy a pick or a small screwdriver. So these clips right here, obviously it's carbon fiber, right? You gotta be very careful. So what you're gonna do with the pick or a small screwdriver is basically you're gonna push it in to push the tab back. And when you're pushing the tab back on the top part, you're gonna be pressing down the hood vent for it to sit flush. So right now I already did the first 2. I gotta do 3 more. It's a little tricky. You do need 2 hands for this. And like I said, a pick or even a pocket screwdriver, whatever you got, just to help bend these back just a little bit and push down. Alright guys, hood vent is done. Looks pretty good. The carbon matches. It does fit. The front fits perfect, no issues at all. The side, perfect. This side, perfect. The back part was a pain in the butt. So the sides right here are perfect, but the middle, for some reason, it doesn't want to go fully down. But honestly, you put like 3M tape or double-sided tape, just put like a little piece in the back and hold it, it'd be perfect, honestly. But like I said, like the fitment is good, pretty much. No issues at all. You could reuse a factory 9mm bolts. Let's see. So these are the factory or 9mm nuts, not bolts, nuts. So like I said, look at it. It's all flush except for right there in the middle, that little piece. So if anything, I think I'm gonna put some 3M tape right there and then just press it down. Should be good. Should be good for the most part. The engine bay is pretty dirty. But yeah guys, pretty much it. The hood's super light. Simple install. Honestly, that thing looks crazy. It looks more aggressive. It blends in with the hood now. Something different, you know. Different look, different vibe. Pretty nice. Yeah guys, simple install. It took about 20 minutes. I mean, I'm sweating because it's hot out here and stuff, but all you really need is a 9mm electric ratchet or hand ratchet like this one. This one's from Harbor Freight. Take off those bolts, like I said. If your guys has a heat shield, you're gonna need a panel popper, which is this guy right here. One of these to take off the heat shield. But obviously mine didn't have it because aftermarket hood, like I said. So pretty simple, pretty easy. Time to go take some pictures now. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys can, drop a like I said, subscribe, drop a comment. We're gonna be having merch pretty soon. We're almost at 11K subscribers, so that's a huge win, you know. We're gonna get some more air fresheners like that one inside. Some t-shirts, maybe some hats. We already have the stickers, obviously, you know. I need to redo my tent, but I'm waiting for the people. But yeah, we have these stickers as well for Locals Built. The car's coming along pretty good in my eyes. No complaints at all. Perfect fitment. Carbon looking good. I just need a wash, obviously. But yeah guys, like I said, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later in the next episode of Locals Garage. I appreciate you guys watching. Peace.